My second visit to Puerto Rico opened my eyes to the differences and similarities between the island's culture and the hybrid culture U.S. Puerto Ricans may adopt. As a somewhat amateur cultural anthropologist, I found this fascinating. I was reminded of my trip to Philadelphia's Puerto Rican community with my Puerto Rican pal and longtime Philadelphia resident, Uriel. Puerto Ricans have been coming to Philly since before the First World War, and today it's home to a thriving community.
Uriel, bloque de oro. Did I say that right?
El bloque de oro.
El bloque de oro.
The golden block.
The golden block.
This is the heart of the business community here in Philadelphia, the Hispanic business community, I mean.
Okay.
And, the Puerto Rican population and had all their commerces, their furniture stores, restaurants. It all happened here in El bloque de oro.
Okay. Because I noticed the sidewalks have this sort of like golden path to them. Does that mean anything?
The palm trees and everything was part of a neighborhood revitalization that they did in the 70s. And then in recent years, an organization called ACE has come in and put some money in making it all look really nice and, for the business community here in Philadelphia with Latinos.
And lots of murals and stuff like that around
Lots
too,
of
right?
murals. For us that have been living here in Philadelphia for a long time, this is where you come and you feel at home.
Taller Puertorriqueño, or Puerto Rican workshop, has been a pillar in the community here for decades, so Uriel took me by. This is a beautiful space. How long have you guys been around?
Since 1974.
Since 1974.
Yeah, long time.
And there's a big Puerto Rican community here.
Absolutely.
Is that the purpose of Taller Puertorriqueño, to service the Puerto Rican community, or is it larger than that?
It's larger than that, and it's becoming larger and larger because the original community, Latino community in Philadelphia was over 90% predominantly Puerto Rican.
Okay.
So in its origins, it primarily served that population.
Okay.
As the Latino population has continued to grow, including also Puerto Ricans, but it's become much more diverse.
Right.
So that proportionately now, Puerto Ricans are about 65%.
Okay.
But there's significant populations of other Latinos.
This is the gift shop, so people can come here and they can get gifts, but also books. And some in Spanish, some in English?
Some in Spanish, some in English, some bilingual, and also, the crafts that we have available for sale includes Puerto Rican crafts, but also crafts from other Latin American countries.
Well, I'm gonna look around, maybe get a book. Is that okay?
Sure.
All
sure.
right.